Good morning, children. Today we will read the story of animal dinosaur. But before starting this story, look here. Have you ever visited a museum? Write below the names of 5 things that you saw there. Museum means a building in which historical objects and precious things are stored. We see statues, weapons, crowns, paintings, and old coins in museum. Now look here, children. The name of this story is Minu and Dino. Minu, a 10-year-old girl, goes to see a museum. Museum means where historical objects and precious things are kept. There are many strange things in the museum. Strange means surprising or difficult to understand. Look here, children. This is a picture of museum. Many things are kept in the glass boxes with labels. Labels means a small piece of paper attached to an object and giving information about it. These are glass box and precious things are kept inside this glass box. As she is moving around, she sees a dinosaur on a table. When Minu was moving around in this museum, she sees a dinosaur which is on the table. She goes near the table and admires the big animal. Admires means regard with respect. She sees this dinosaur with respect. It had a huge body, long neck, and twinkling eyes. Huge means extremely large. Dinosaur had huge body, long neck, and twinkling eyes. Look here, children. This is a picture of dinosaur. Twinkling means the winking of an eye. Minu finds its eyes very attractive. Suddenly, the dinosaur starts speaking. Minu watched this dinosaur very carefully and she finds that its eyes are very attractive. Suddenly, the dinosaur starts speaking. Dino. Hello, Minu. Dino says, hello, Minu. I am Dino, the dinosaur. Dino says to Minu, I am Dino, the dinosaur. How are you? Minu cannot believe her ears. She feels very scared and tries to run away. Scared means fearful. When Minu heard the voice of a dinosaur, she feels very scared and tries to run away. But Dino calls her back. Dino, don't be afraid of me. Afraid means frightened. Dino says to Minu, don't be afraid of me. I am your friend. Don't you want to talk to me? Dino said to Minu, don't you want to talk to me? Minu comes near the dinosaur hesitatingly, means slow to speak. Dino, I love children. Dino says to Minu, I love children. They are very nice. They don't harm anyone. Means children don't harm to anyone. Then Minu replied, but I have heard you harm others. That's why you are kept in here and not allowed to roam about. Minu says to Dino that I have heard you harm others, means you tease others. That's why you are kept here and not allowed to roam about. Roam means to move or to travel. Dino told, no Minu. When we lived on the earth, we did not harm anyone. We just wanted to live peacefully like other animals. Dino told to Minu, when we lived on the earth, we didn't harm anyone. We just wanted to live peacefully like other animal. Then Minu asked, then why are you kept here? Where are your mama, papa and friends? Dino replied, we used to live on the earth thousands of years ago, means before. But many atmospheric changes pushed our species to extinction. Extinction means coming to end. Due to atmospheric changes, most of their species to extinct, means coming to end, which means none of my family or species is found on this planet anymore. Planet means large round object in space, like Earth. Minu, oh, that is so sad. Couldn't we, the humans, do anything to save you? Dino replied, no Minu, we disappeared from the earth long before humans arrived. Disappear means vanish or go away. Dino told to Minu, we disappeared from the earth long before, means very earlier. Humans arrived. Arrived means reach. But you can save many other species from extinction. Dino told to Minu, you can save many other species or animals from extinction. Minu, really how? Minu asked, how? Dino, let me explain it to you. You see, man and other animals share this beautiful earth. Means man and other animals live on this beautiful earth. They have been doing so for a long time. Once there was enough of everything, enough food and water, enough forest cover and grassy plants. But slowly the number of people grew, their needs too grew. So they started cutting trees and killing animals. Today there is very little space left for some animals. Means due to huge population, people are cutting trees and killing animals to fulfill their needs. The bird Dodo has already disappeared from the earth. Dodo is a name of a bird which is already disappeared or vanished. Many more species of animals are endangered and may also disappear in a few years. Endangered means their species are in danger. Pandas, gorillas, grizzly, bears, elephants, tigers and copper butterfly are all endangered animals. Means their species are in danger. Minu, that's really sad. What can we do to save those animals? Dino replied, man must stop cutting forests and killing animals. Means we should not cut the forest and kill the animals. Then Minu asked, but why do we kill animals? Dino replied, to get leather, oil, medicines, or maybe just for fun. Leather means a material made from the skin of an animal. Minu, that's a pity. Pity means the feeling of sorrow. I will tell all my friends not to harm animals. Otherwise, there will be more animals museums than in forest. Minu told to Dinu that I will tell all my friends not to harm animals. Otherwise, there will be more animals in museums than in forests. That's all for this story.